So, Mr. Likens, we're going to be doing this Mexican style. Okay, so we're going to turn on this firework, and it's going to cause the ball to go inside this long tube, and it's going to come out, and it's going to hit this block, and it's going to make this car come forward, and this is going to cause this block to come up, and this charcoal starter is going to, it's dripping right now, so it's going to make this candle hit the back where all this paper is, and it's going to light up, and so are the fireworks that are in it. So, here we go.
Bam!